It's a 2018 Range Rover Velar secured by us at Immobiliser Fit. This system pairs to the phone, has a push sequence, but if a thief gets the key and goes to steal it, they're going to start it up. When they select a gear to drive off, you see the car cut out. There you go. If they try drive, it's going to cut out. If they try reverse, it's also going to cut out. So we'll just show you that. Put it into reverse to go drive away, car cuts out. For the customer to drive this vehicle, they obviously won't want it cutting out on them, so what they'll do is start the vehicle up, go through a push sequence of their choosing. For now, we've just left it as hear a melody. Now they can select their gear and you see the vehicle doesn't cut out, they can drive off. If they don't want to use a push sequence, they just want it to be as simple as possible, they can connect their Bluetooth phone. So with their phone locked and in their pocket, they can just get in the vehicle and start it. When they walk out of range, the system's going to automatically arm. When they're in range, it's in their pocket, they're in the car, the vehicle's going to start up, they can select their gear and drive. Car doesn't cut out. That's the simplest way to use it. If they want to take it for a service, they can go into the Standalone key app they have on their phone, press and hold on here, wait till it goes yellow, then we'll let go. 2 bleeps, that's service mode. So when it goes back to Range Rover, it will just be a normal vehicle, like there's nothing fitted to it, no code, no phone. They're going to be able to move it around, road test it for as long as they want, do what they need to do. When it's all back and you want it protected, you've taken it home, press and hold on here till it goes back to green, let go and we'll get 2 bleeps. That turns the system back on. So just to make sure, we'll turn the Bluetooth off, or we'll go put the phone in the house, turn the vehicle off, give it 10 seconds to set, and then try attack it as if we were a thief with this key. So now we'll start it up, no melody, so we know as soon as we select a gear the car's going to cut out. There you go. So to get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is a 2018 Range Rover Velar, protected against all the key cloning and relay attack that's going on at the minute, and also the new plug-in devices that we're seeing that start the vehicle. This also protects again if the vehicle's remote started, if you start it through the app from your house to warm it up and someone was to attack it before you come out. Once again, our number's 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit.